We're gonna do it. Here we go. Oh, oh. It's going. It's making it.
Boom! Shakalaka. Huh?
That's a little tight squeeze.
This thing's all made out of wood.
Oh, you got a wood in
All
there?
wood. Yeah, the frame. Yeah, go in there and kind of move around if you want to look at
That's
it.
all right.
Just watch out for that cage.
No, I don't know. That's fine. Now this is a collection of auto parts to be proud of.
Yeah, I remember that you were this and that and this.
Finally got it done. It's painted. It looks good.
Old Farts Lane.
What was that at before? It's always there.
It was outside rusty, all rusty. Couldn't see it.
All right, Adventure Seekers. June 22nd. We have a very old house here in Oceano. This place is so cool. It's like a museum all on its own. Everything around is museum quality. The place is like a museum. This is so cool. Talk about a collection of stuff. Ay, caramba. Whatever you may need in life, it must be here somewhere. Some old milk jugs, maybe? How about some street signs? How about an old vet? How about a birdhouse? How about a three-wheeler? How about a catamaran? I think we have it. Now, maybe an old tractor? Oh, the gas hog. How cute. It's a nice old house. Of car parts. I think you've got every part known to mankind. Just gotta find it. Hope you have a good memory. Gonna need it to be able to find some hoses. Definitely some hoses. I need it. Just might need a good memory to find the car parts you are looking for. Yes, adventure seekers. This is so cool. Everything here, and this is just a small section of property that I'm walking through right now. I think it covers a couple acres at least. Stay tuned. Yikes. Right, adventure seekers. This is a cool old truck right here. Sweet. I don't know what year it is, but nice ride. A lot of stuff to deal with. Yikes. Adventure Seekers. I found the camshaft I need. It's right there at the bottom of this stack, right under that tractor tire. So I can have it if I can get it. So that will be the next adventure. Stay tuned.